For today's video, we will show you how to send money from Canada to India through Remitly. So let's begin. Now, Remitly is one of the best in terms of worry-free transfers for you and your loved ones, and they have multiple partners in India, such as SBI, ICICI Bank, Paytm, HDFC Bank, Axis Bank, Punjab National Bank, Canara Bank, and Citibank. Alright, so all you gotta do is, if you are using your mobile device, open the app, download the Remitly app, or if you are here on your computer, just go to remitly.com and sign up for an account. Alright, so here's one of the first step. Create an account, sign up using your email address through the website or in the app. For if you're using an iOS device, go to App Store or Google Play for Android devices. Now, all you're gonna do is enter the amount and select the currency, the amount you want to send, and the delivery speed. Now, for the currency, that's gonna be rupees because you're sending money from Canada to India. Okay, but doing so, choose a delivery method. Now choose how your money is delivered, including cash pickup, bank deposit, mobile wallet, and more depending on your recipient's location. So earlier, you can check the Remitly's partners for India's local banks and remittance. Now, all you're going to do is enter the recipient's information and provide the recipient's name and personal details. So be sure and make sure that the name it matches the legal name that's gonna be the recipient. All right, and select a payment method and send. Enter your payment information and select confirm transfer to send. All right, so you have to double check if the information are all correct, and that's it. Send money now, and that's how you send money from Canada to India through Remitly. Thank you so much for watching, guys. We will see you all in the next one.